Welcome to this quick practical guide on unfollowing someone on Facebook. If you've got someone in your feed whose posts you'd rather not see, this is a simple, effective option that keeps you connected without the clutter. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust, then navigate to the home feed. From there, you'll want to locate the profile of the person you're considering unfollowing. You can do this by tapping their name in a post or by using the search bar at the top to find their profile directly. Once you're on their profile, look for the Friends option. It's usually displayed near the top of the screen, alongside the profile's cover photo and bio. Tap on Friends to open a small menu with several choices related to your relationship with that person. In the menu that appears, you'll see options like following, follower, and unfriend. To unfollow without severing the connection, choose unfollow. This action stops their post from showing up in your newsfeed, but you'll still be connected as friends. You'll continue to see their profile and can interact with them if you choose to. If you ever want to reverse this, you can always return to the same profile, open the Friends menu again, and reselect Follow. It's a flexible setting that helps you curate your experience without muting or blocking someone entirely. A few quick tips to enhance your experience. Consider using the follow settings to tailor what you want to see from that person. You can choose to see fewer posts, less about certain topics, or even customize notifications if you still want to stay informed without constant updates. Remember, unfollowing is a personal preference and a common tool for managing mental space and time spent scrolling. That's the whole process in a few simple steps. It's a lightweight way to keep your feed relevant and enjoyable while preserving your connections. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you're welcome to try it now and see how your feed feels after the change.